Question number 1, 4 power 2, it will be 4 times 4, it will be equal 16. Question number 2, if a plus 8 equal 15, then a will be equal 7. Question number 3, because 7 plus 8 equal 15. Which of the following values is a solution to the relation x less than negative 6? Less than negative 6, it will be negative 7. Okay, right here, negative 7. Question 4, the relation of a number multiplied by 5, it's what in the equation? Its equation, this number multiplied by 5, it will be 5x. Okay, the relation of a number multiplying by 5, its term will be 5x. Okay, question number 5. If x equals 3, then x plus 2, it's meaning put x equal 3 here, then 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Okay, next question number 2, complete. The coefficient of 5x plus 7, it will be 5. Question number 5. Question number 2, number 1 here, coefficient will be 5. Question number 2, if we subtract 7 from another or a number y, then the expression will be what? Y minus 7. Y is a minion and 7 is subtrahend. Question number 3, 3 power 8. 3 here we called it power. 3 here is the base and is the power or exponent. 3 we called it the base and 8 exponent. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. The value of 7y if y equals 3, right, y equal 3, then 7 multiplication by 3, it will be 21. Question number 3, letter A, finds the value of n. If 16 minus n equal 3, then n will be equal 30. Okay, it was letter number 1 here, and number 2, y over 4 equal 5, then y will be 4 times 5, it will be 20. Question here, number 3, 6 power 2 minus 20 in parentheses plus 4 times 3. 6 power 2, it will be 36, is 20 plus 3 times 4, it will be 12. 36 minus 20, 6 minus 0, it will be 6, 3 minus 2, it will be 1, and the result here, it will be 28. Next question, the least common multiplication, no. Number 1, the number just before negative 2, it will be negative 3. Question number 2, the greatest common factor of two relatively prime number is 1. Question number 3, least common multiplication of two numbers 4 and 8. 8 can be divided by 4. Then the least common multiplication between them 8 and 4, the greatest common factor. Question here, I, J, K, L. The coefficient of 8x, it will be 8. Question M, the additive inverse of absolute value negative 3. We know the value here 3, then the additive inverse, it will be negative 3. Question N, 5 times 2 plus space equal 10 plus 35. 5 times 2 equal 10, and 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 7 in the space. Okay, write 7 using distributive properties. Question O, Adam's age now is X years, so his age 5 years ago, N minus 5. his age 5 years ago, it will be x minus 5. X minus 5 years. Question letter B, the biggest negative number, it will be negative 1. Okay. 7 or negative 7. Negative 7 is to right of space in the number line. Negative 7 is right of what? Look at here with me about number line. Negative 7, and here negative 8, and here negative 6. Negative 7 is the right of negative 8. Okay, negative 7 is to right of negative 8 on the number 9. The result will be negative 8. Question number 2. 1 and 3 over 4 plus 2.5. We can write the least common multiplication between them 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 1 equal 2. And write 3. 1 times plus 2 equal 3. And then write 4 in the numerator. 2 plus 3 equal 5. And then 5 over 4, we can convert this number in the simplest form. It's improper, okay? It's meaning 3 and 5 over 4. And then 5 over 4, it will be 1 and the remainder 1 over 4. And then you can add them, 3 plus 1 equal 4, and write 1 over 4 here. Understood? Question number 3. All negative numbers are space 0, negative number less than 0. Or all negative numbers are less than 0. Question number 4. The smallest counting number is 1. Question 5. Which of the following numbers are relatively prime numbers? Relatively prime numbers mean two numbers can't be divided by a number without 1. So we must choose 7 and 9. Why? Because 7 and 9 can't be divided by a numbers without 1. Okay, the highest common factor between two numbers equal 1. Then 7 and 9, we call that relatively prime numbers. Question 6. Negative 5 is greater than what from this solving? Okay, negative 5, negative 6 greater than negative 6. Question number 2, complete. Number 1, if 1050 divided by 12 equal 87 and the remainder 6, then 12 times by 86 equal what? This number 86. Okay, again we have the difference between two numbers. The remainder here, he give us the remainder equal 6. Okay, so you can find multiplication between two numbers. Write 12 times 86. 6 times 2 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus and 0. 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 1 times 8 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 3 and carry up 1. 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. The result will be 1032. Understood? It's multiplication between 12 and 86. 1032. Next question. Number 3. 2 and 1 over 6 subtract by 1 and 1 over 5. We have 30 is the least common multiplication between two denominators. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 1 equals 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 1 equals 6. But 5 minus 6, we can't do it. So you must borrow 1 from left hand side. Okay, to find the difference, 2 will be 1. And 1 will be 30 over 30 plus 5 over 30. It will be 35 over 30. Subtract 1 and 6 over 30. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And then write 30. 35 minus 6. 15 minus 6, it will be 9. And then write 2. The result will be 29 over 30. Question number 4. The opposite of negative 3, it will be 3. Question 5. The number of integers between 3 and negative 2 is, you want to find the number of integers. We have here 3, count with me, from 3 to negative 2, 2, 1, 0, negative 1 and negative 2. We have 4 numbers. We have 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, between 3 and negative 2, we have here 4 numbers. Understood? Between 3 and negative 2, 4 numbers. Question 6. The greatest negative integer, it will be negative 1. 3 here, complete. Write the greatest common factor between two numbers. Letter A. Look at here, we have Venn diagram here, circles, and here 2 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 5. We want to find two numbers. The first number, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. It will be 24. And it's first number. Second number here, 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 6. 3 times 5 15. 15 times 6 equal 90. Second number here, 90. And we want to find the greatest common factor. It will be 2 times 3 from this part. 2 times 3, 6. And the least common multiplication, write 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. This number 8, and this number 9 times 5, 5. 5 times 8 equals 40, 0 and the care of 4. 4 times 8 32, 32 plus 4 equals 36. Understood? The result will be 360. Next question. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. We can find the least common multiplication between two numerators, 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 3 times 1 equals 3. And the sum between two numbers, 3 plus 8 equal be 11. It was question number 1. Question number 2. Which of the following nearest to 0? It will be negative 1. Negative 1 nearest to 0. Question number 3. Which of the following is an integer? Integer here, it will be negative 1 is integer, because the numerator about this number, it will be 1. From Venn diagram, okay, it's a solution. Understood the solution? Again, fractions here, 11 over 12, and the next one negative 1, and the next one it will be negative 1. From Venn diagram, find the greatest common factor. We can find greatest common factor between them, it will be 1. This part empty. Last question. Arrange all the number from least to greatest, ascending order. Write negative 8, negative 4, 0, and last one 5.